So have everybody, this particular session, it's a quick session and I'm just going to give you some tips which worked very well for me with regards to LinkedIn. Okay. See, at this time, there are many platforms which provide the job openings and all those things. But LinkedIn is a kind of platform where you can get in touch with your recruiters directly, and also you can keep yourself updated with your professional career. Okay, say for example, the moment I open my LinkedIn page, right, LinkedIn feed, what do you see? The first thing, it's all about see, I see someone has accomplished the certification, and I see someone is asking the questions about how this can be done. It's most of the people are asking more about the Salesforce thing. If you scroll down, you will see that. So LinkedIn is a kind of platform which keeps you updated with your professional career, because someone in our community group asked me, Ashok, I want to keep myself updated with what is happening around in Salesforce. Where I can go and subscribe for notification. Is there any blog? Please recommend me. The best platform for you to go ahead and subscribe is nothing but your LinkedIn profile. So what exactly you have to do? You have to make a connections. That is very important. If you look at my network, all that, go to your profile, go to network. In your network, right, you will find a lot of suggestions. If you look at that, right. So what exactly I will be doing every day, the moment when I open my LinkedIn account, I will give a random connection to people who are all in my same designation or in my area of interest. If you look at that, the moment I saw somebody having Salesforce, I will give a random connection. I don't know this guy. I don't know who is Anirudh. I don't know who is that. But still, I will make a connection, because what I want to be is I want to keep myself updated and I want to keep my network available. I want to extend my network. That's it. So you will find a lot of suggestions here, like the people from your same designation, same interest and everything. So all that what we have to do is take some time, at least 1 or 2 minutes, go there, just send a connections. See, if you look at my connection, I'm close to having 12,000 connections. Okay. So it is actually quite a big number, because I've been doing this activity since last 1.5 years. So, and I randomly accept connection, because this is not Facebook, this is not what is that, your WhatsApp or anything else. We are going to accept the connection just in the professional environment. So nobody will try to abuse you or bully you. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, and one more thing is, you will get a good network of the people. That is very important. Being in a professional environment, getting that connections, getting the contact is very important. So since I'm being doing this activity, right, I will just take a moment and I will give connection. So maximum you can give 100 plus connection per day, and your connections also will be keep on adding. So once that done, you see, once those folks accepted your connection, the moment they started posting about the things, since I have connected with almost all the peoples are from the Salesforce background. The moment if I go to my LinkedIn and if I scroll down, I see a lot of Salesforce updates. There are people who completed certification. There are people who are taking sessions. I will come to know the people who are writing some blogs. See, everything you see, it's all about Salesforce and about companies, the company they are hiring or not. So all those things, I don't need to search. I don't need to browse. All that, I just scroll down, I will come to know all these things. So likewise, see, you don't have to write, you don't have to go to the release notes and read every release every time. So what exactly you have to do is you just connect with the right people, some industry leaders, some Salesforce MVPs. That is very important. You will come to know these things by just simply scrolling down. I come to know about this particular spring release notes. See, so make the point number one about the LinkedIn is establish a good connection. Make sure you are connecting with right people who are all with your same interest. Say for example, now your ultimate aim is to get some job in Salesforce. Connect with the Salesforce people, Salesforce leaders, and subscribe to Salesforce oriented business and Salesforce oriented companies. There are partners available. There are silver partners, platinum partners available. All that you have to do is just go to and join some Salesforce connection groups and establish your connections. That is very thing, first thing. All right. And the next thing is, suppose once you have a good connections and all, creating your profile and giving the appearance, that is very important. See, if you look at my profile, let me view profile. So please have some cover page so that that cover page should sounds like what exactly you are. Say for example, if you are a Salesforce developer, Salesforce technical architect, keep the cover page in that way so that it will be easier for the recruiters to identify you. And if you look at my name, I have given my exact name. So give your exact name. And another thing is this particular keyword, it plays a vital role. The subtitle behind next to your name, right? Why? Because if any company is looking for senior Salesforce developer, they will come to LinkedIn, they will just put it in the search, they will click on senior Salesforce developer, and they will start look for the people. See, they will click this. If I'm a recruiter, I will do like this. So what exactly I'm getting, right? I'm getting the list of people who are having the keywords, that keywords next to that. If you open their profile, see. So this particular keyword is very important. This is the keyword which brings their profile at me. Say for example, if I need a fresher, if I need a junior developer, junior Salesforce developer, I will go and search for like this. I will get people. I will go them and I will check with them and I will get a connection. That's how, if you look at my messaging, see, most of the people are started looking for the trainer and they search it in the LinkedIn. They are searching for Salesforce trainer and my profile comes up and they were getting connection with me like this. See, I'm getting connections. I'm getting a people, students, most of them are from the LinkedIn basis. And similarly, I'm also getting job notification as well. See, they simply come to Google, LinkedIn and search with the name. If any people available with their relevant skill set, all this, the LinkedIn will help you to bring your profile to them. It's all happening just because you're having a right keyword in the place. If you look at my profile, the important keyword what I'm having is senior Salesforce developer and a trainer. So if the moment they search for Salesforce trainer, based on these keywords, it will bring my profile. Okay, so most of the time that's how it happening. And this is very important one. Like if you are open to finding a new job or all, you have to keep your profile as open. That is very important. And second thing is about, see, don't keep my LinkedIn profile as a model because it is actually not a very good profile. I need to work a lot on my LinkedIn part, but still you have to keep your about part it's as good as possible. And similarly, if you look at my experience, keep update your experience and also certifications. That is very important. If I want to look for a certified platform developer, Salesforce. So if I'm a company, I'm looking for somebody who is certified one. So I will get the list of people who are really certified. See, Salesforce certified platform developer. So that is very important, that how you have to keep and project your LinkedIn profile. So there are a lot of profiles available, people. So all that you have to just go ahead and take a look at some people profile, because you are not you will get complete access to go and take a look at the people's profiles and all. See, if you look at that his profile, he has updated his Scout Picker Salesforce certified. The moment the recruiter comes into the profile, he will see the about and all. Okay, he will have some idea. Okay, this guy have ideas on these and these skill set. So you have to update your skill set in the about section. That is very important. And second thing is keeping your certification. Even if you are the people, if you are a freshers and if you are new to Salesforce, what I would suggest, you can still update the your super badges. The moment you complete the super badges, go to LinkedIn and put a post. That is very important. Don't just follow the people or don't just be inert in LinkedIn. Whenever you do something right, just simply go ahead and post a post like this. See, this guy has completed the some certification. He has posted in his profile. That is very important. The moment you made connections like this, if you look at me, I'm having close to 12,000 connections. If I made a post, 12,000 people will view my post, right? If you look at here, right, number of people who visited and take a look at my profile. What is the need of those people who, why should they come and visit my profile? Because they put out some search, like they might have looking for trainer, they might have looking for some developers. Okay, so my profile would have come in their search result. So that's how these people come and take a look at my profile. You can see how your profiles are doing. So this is the very best platform where you can establish your professional network. At the same time, you can get some guidance. Also, you can get a connection with your recruiters. That is very important. Okay, so point number one, create a profile. If you don't have a profile, for God's sake, create a profile. Point number two, make connections as much as possible. Make connection to leaders, Salesforce leaders, MVPs, Salesforce related people, and join in the Salesforce related group. That is very important. Second thing is update your profile in such a way it should bring the people. And the third thing is whatever you, the small achievements you do, even if you reach 50 badges, or even if you reach 100 badges, the rangers adventure, whatever it is, keep post about it. That is very important. I know some people who are keep posted about this particular thing. They are really doing good with that. Let me take a look. Harish, is that this the guy? Some guy, he's keep on posting about all this update, and he got selected. One of our student, I mean age skill development student, he keep post about what and all he do in I mean with regards to Salesforce. He will be keep posting in the LinkedIn, and by seeing his post, right, see, I am looking for job change like this, he will be keep on posting. Some recruiters take a look and they approached him. Now he got a good job in Salesforce. That is very important. Okay, so keep posting. That is important. And also you can also start writing some blogs or articles. Say for example, if you read out some blogs, or if you work out some tips, you can still go to the LinkedIn and make a post about that, like how others are doing. Maybe let's take a look at some other new posts. We'll get some. If you look at this guy is kind of MVP in Salesforce automation, and he keeps post about all the updates. See, look at how many followers he have. I'm also one of the follower of him. He keep on posting about all his updates, all his learnings, and everything. Likewise, we can also do, right or wrong. You can also post here. People will start following you, and they will take a look, and they will also get attracted with your updates. So that's how. See, marketing ourselves is a very, very important thing. Rather than how much technically equipped you are, yeah, then marketing yourself is very, very important. Unless or until you showcase yourself that you know something, how other people will come to know, isn't it? And unless or until you tell me like, hi, myself is so and so, I'm a certified developer and so on, so I have a good experience on this and this. Unless you're telling this, how can I come to know? That is very important, right? So that's what I'm asking you all to do. So keep post about your achievements, even small things in the LinkedIn. Subscribe with the relevant materials every day. The moment I woke up, right, before brushing, the first thing what I will do, I take my phone and I just scroll to the feeds. If I come across any job openings or anything, I will post it in a relevant Telegram group. Suppose if you are looking for a job, right, just put it here. I'm looking for Salesforce developer. Go here and search for a job. You see, they're looking for junior developer. Obviously, these are kind of freshers opening. There are a lot of freshers opening coming up. Nowadays, you don't have to worry about the location at all because everybody going to connect in a remote. See, wherever you see, the people are going to connect in a remote. Lot of openings. Don't just rely only on your Naukri or Times New, or if you are in a different countries, don't rely only of your local network to connect. LinkedIn is the very best platform where you can connect with right people with right things. You know that fake things are happening here. At times, if you come to know about the person, you can simply report and you can come out. Okay, so again what I'm telling is install the LinkedIn app. Don't think why this guy is giving a marketing to LinkedIn. Not like that. I've been using the LinkedIn for the past few years, but I got benefited a lot from the LinkedIn networks as well as the LinkedIn post. That's why I'm insisting everybody, this is also a one such a thing that helps you in the professional network and keep yourself updated in Salesforce especially. Okay, these are the few things I just want to share. I'm not a LinkedIn expert or anything. Even if you take a look at my profile, I need to update my profile actually. I didn't get much time, but at the same time, I know how to subscribe for the relevant people and how to search for the contents and everything. Okay, all right. Any other questions? Do anybody have any questions on the from the LinkedIn point of view? Because this is not technical or something. I'm just sharing my experience. That's it. Any questions, people?
In the session record because I joined late. So.
Yes. Okay,
Very
if nobody
helpful
have,
information.
yes, Soumya.
It's very helpful. I think I'll start the putting a LinkedIn profile together.
Yeah, that is very important. So
Yeah.
definitely have some profile. I especially all people நம்மள்ட்ட படிக்கிற எல்லாருக்குமே டெஃபினட்டா ஒரு LinkedIn profile இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப அவசியம். See, if you look at
Oh,
the guy, he just completed the super budget, but still he posts something like he did some big achievement. But that's really good and that's nice. So keep
yeah.
posting. That is very important. Express yourself because at
Ashok?
the end of the day, we have to sell our talent and we have to showcase our talent. Then only the people outside will come to know and they will also at least come and interact with us. Okay, this guy has something with him. Okay, let's interact with him. And that interaction at one point of time will help you to schedule some interview with them. So don't lose the opportunity. This is a one such opportunity you can make use of it. All right.
Ashok? I'm
Yes.
Shiva Ashok. So you made connection through groups only, right? Salesforce connection, infallible, techie,
This
all
one.
the groups, right? Through groups only we could connect, right?
Not only the group. See, that's what I'm saying. You have to go to your network. Okay. If you
Okay.
click the network, don't worry, you can randomly accept people and LinkedIn will suggest people based on how you have updated your profile. In my
Okay.
profile
Okay.
I have updated, I worked in Tata consultancy, so it is now giving suggestions on the Tata consultancy. Similarly, in my profile I have updated as I'm a certified Salesforce. It is showing me suggestions like people who are all certified Salesforce developer. So based on the profile, based on the keywords in your profile, LinkedIn by automatically suggests these peoples.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
Thanks.
so it's up to us, like whether we need to connect them or we are need to just ignore them. If you don't need the people, just ignore them. The new people will come up. So try to establish the connection as much as possible. That's what I'm saying. Every day I make connection. I not fail to make connection at one single day. That's the reason. If you look at my connection, it is 12,000, which means 12,000 people will. There is a chance to see my post if I post anything. See, I'm a trainer. I'm having an institute, and I'm a trainer. I should showcase my talent as well as about my training institute to my network. Okay, so what exactly I have to do? Nothing, but I have to keep posted with my things. If you look at my LinkedIn, what exactly I'm doing, I'm just keep posting about like I'm giving training. If you, anybody want to come, please come and join. This is a student's achievements. I don't see, just look at this particular post. Nearly 727 people have seen this. At least if any one of the people will come and speak to me, I would be able to explain them what exactly I'm doing. And if they are interested to join the Salesforce training, they will be joining. So this is my network. My network is all about, I want to showcase as like I'm doing training. If you're interested, please comment. When come to your case, you are a Salesforce beginner and you are a Salesforce learner. So you want to showcase that like you are learning Salesforce at a great interest. You are updating yourself with the Salesforce development and you have achieved something. Keep post about that. Your connections will come to know at one point of time, they will approach you. They will ask you whether you are interested to join the position in the company. That's how we have to take it forward. Okay. All right. So let me stop this recording and we can move on to our regular Q&A session.
அந்த நான் random connections னு சொன்னீங்க. ரேண்டமா வந்து நீங்க கனெக்ஷன் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணுவீங்களா?
Yes. Say I don't mind, right? So what exactly I need to do with that connection? I'm not going to chat. I'm not going to do anything with this connection. All that I'm going to just establish the connections. See, I can randomly give connections. It doesn't mean I'm giving connections to somebody who is not part of. I don't need somebody who is in SAP because I'm not learning SAP and he is not at all need me. So I don't need to give a connection. But if you look at the Salesforce, yes, one or other time I might need their support or they might need my support. I'm just giving my connection. That's it. Similarly, if you find some leaders who are all on the board, give a connections. Don't worry that you are giving connection to unknown people. It is absolutely fine. Even I am unknown to you until you join to my institute, right? So it doesn't matter. It is only connections. Yeah, just give a connection. That's it.
The news feed is LinkedIn is enough for news.